Hello everyone, Dr. Smith, physical therapist and law student here. Today I'm going to explain to you how I earned over $100,000 online via one project and how you can as well. Before I get into this, please like this video, please subscribe to the channel and turn on any notifications to make sure you do not miss out on any new videos. Now many of you know I started my home health content on YouTube a few years ago, which led to the home health course, the first course to teach practical home health, and then I applied it for CEUs. Now I can say I've officially earned over $100,000. This is my third-party verification. Prior to that, I earned 50K. Prior to that, I earned 10K, and I earned 1K as well, but I think I lost that 1K pin, but this was the pin that I was aiming for most of this time. The next step is the 250K. Once you hit 100K though, you get this hoodie, this little thing, and your 100K pin. But I just wanted to break down this process for you because I believe anybody can earn $100,000 online. It's actually very easy. You just need to find a problem that nobody has solved yet, go ahead and create a product around that problem and develop solutions for that problem. That's what I did because I got screwed over when I went into home health, as many of you know, but now my course has not only made me $100,000, but it's helped many people, even new grads, get $100,000 pay packages and a few $200,000 pay packages. So this is a reward for me helping people make millions overall. I've helped at least 500 people make $100,000 or more, some 200,000 over a few years. That's a few million. So you have to provide something and create something that creates a lot of value or provides a lot of value. If you can do that, then this honestly isn't that hard. And once you hit this too, you realize that this isn't that much money and you can make a lot more and help a lot more people. So make sure that you're impacting people in positive ways. Always give first, create solutions for problems first. And if you want to work with me one-on-one, I do offer one-on-one coaching via my Patreon. However, it is limited at this time, depending on what you want. However, if you just want to interact with a community of over 300 people working towards entrepreneurship goals, then you can join the basic tier Patreon. And I'll post that link below, as well as a video on how the Patreon works. But most of all, I want to thank you guys, thank this community, because it helped me achieve this. And I actually achieved this way back in June. I'm just late on making this video. I actually tried to make this video a few times, but my face was blurry or the audio was messed up. But I wanted to get this out there because I want to share my success and tell my story to motivate you and inspire you. And, you know, as I stated before, I thought 100K was a lot of money at my first job, but I've helped many achieve more. And my goal is for all of you to do better than I am. All right, I'm Dr. Smith, physical therapist. Please like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.